If you're tired of the daily grind and yearn for a life of abundance and flexibility, this is your golden ticket. Get ready to immerse yourself in a captivating discussion as we unveil not one, not two, but 9 remarkable methods to generate passive income and potentially earn a jaw-dropping $17,000 a week. So, fasten your seatbelts, open your mind to possibilities, and join us on this thrilling voyage towards a life of financial independence. Now, before we embark on this transformative journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to unlock your financial potential. Let's get right into it. Let's begin with one of the most popular methods of generating passive income, investing in stocks and shares. Now, here's the deal. Investing in stocks and shares isn't exactly a walk in the park, but compared to other income-generating methods, it's surprisingly low effort. To get started on this exciting journey, you want to partner up with some reputable stockbrokers. In the US, Webull has got your back, while Freetrade and Vanguard are your go-to options in the UK. These guys will give you the platform and tools that you need to make some serious strides in the investment world. Alright, now let's talk strategy. One approach that's got incredible potential is investing in index funds. Trust me, it's a smart move. Take the S&P 500. This index represents the best 500 companies in the US. By investing in it, you're essentially spreading your risk and getting a piece of all those awesome companies. Talk about diversification. Here's the exciting part. As the market does its thing, your investments quietly work behind the scenes, making money for you. It's like having your own little money-making army, and here's the best part. You don't need to be a financial guru to get started. With a bit of research, some guidance, and the right mindset, you can tap into the power of stocks and shares and start building your path to financial independence. Another avenue that has gained immense popularity is starting a YouTube channel. By unleashing your creative side and showcasing your expertise, you can generate passive income while building a loyal audience. Although it requires consistent effort and dedication, the potential for significant returns makes it an enticing option for content creators. Starting a YouTube channel is relatively easy. All you need to do is visit youtube.com, click on Create a Channel, and start uploading videos. However, building a successful channel requires a comprehensive approach. Now let's explore the world of podcasting. Starting a podcast is easier compared to launching a YouTube channel. Tools like Anchor.fm make it easy to record and distribute podcast episodes. You can even use your phone to begin podcasting. While podcasts lack the algorithmic advantage of growth that YouTube offers, you can monetize your podcast through brand deals and sponsorships. It's important to note that earning $100 a month from podcasting requires consistent effort and quality content, along with a substantial number of downloads per episode. Another avenue for generating passive income is through affiliate marketing. This method involves promoting other people's products and earning a percentage of the sales made through your referrals. Getting started with affiliate marketing is relatively easy. You can sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates and share customized links on your website or social media platforms. However, earning $100 a month solely from affiliate marketing can be challenging and requires building significant traffic to your website or product page. Now, let's unlock the immense potential of creating and selling digital products. Now, let's talk about the types of digital products you can create. We're not just limited to one single format here. Oh no, we got a whole buffet of options for you to feast upon. You can dive into the world of ebooks and share your knowledge with the masses. Or maybe you're a whiz at coding. You can create awesome apps that people can't get enough of. Don't forget about downloadable content like guides or templates that provide immense value to your customers. And let's not leave out those stunning icon sets that can make any project pop. The key to success in this realm is to provide value and cater to market demands. It's all about understanding what people are looking for and delivering it in a way that leaves them hungry for more. With the power of the internet, you can access a global audience just waiting to snatch up your digital treasures. Imagine making money while reaching out to people from all corners of the globe. It's an entrepreneur's dream come true. Now I know what you're thinking. How do I get started? Well, my friend, it's time to roll up your sleeves and tap into your creative side. Start brainstorming ideas, do some research on market trends, and find your unique angle. Once you got your product ready to go, set up a shop on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even your own website. The world is your digital marketplace, and the opportunities are endless. Online courses represent a lucrative avenue within the realm of digital products. They combine the advantages of digital products with the interactivity of video-based learning. Starting an online course is feasible even without advanced technical skills or a dedicated website. Platforms like Skillshare offer ready-made infrastructures for hosting and distributing courses. Earning $100 a month from an online course depends on factors like watch time and pricing. To maximize your chances of earning $100 a month from an online course, it's essential to focus on creating high-quality content that addresses a specific need or problem. Additionally, promoting your course through various channels, such as social media, email marketing, and partnerships, can help you reach a wider audience and increase your earning potential. Now, let's delve into the world of real estate and explore the option of rental properties. Investing in rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income. However, it does require an initial investment and ongoing management. Purchasing a property and renting it out can generate regular rental income, but it's crucial to carefully research the market, choose the right location, and consider factors like property maintenance and tenant management. Peer-to-peer lending platforms offer an alternative way to generate passive income. These platforms connect borrowers with lenders, allowing you to earn interest on the money you lend. By investing in peer-to-peer lending, you can diversify your portfolio and potentially earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts or CDs. However, it's important to carefully assess the risk associated with each borrower and consider factors like platform reliability and borrower creditworthiness. Finally, let's explore the concept of dividend investing. So here's the scoop. Dividends are like little treats that companies give to their loyal shareholders. Picture this. You invest in a company, and as a thank you gesture for believing in them, they share a portion of their profits with you. How cool is that? It's like being rewarded for being a part of their success story. Dividend investing is all about finding those hidden gems in the stock market that not only have the potential for growth but also regularly dish out those juicy dividends. These dividends can be a game changer when it comes to generating passive income. Just imagine receiving regular payments without lifting a finger. Now, I gotta be honest with you, my friend, dividend investing is not a walk in the park. It requires some serious research and a key eye for selecting the right stock. You want to focus on companies that have a track record of consistently paying dividends. It's like finding a reliable friend who always keeps their promises. But here's the thing, dividends can be a bit unpredictable. Just like life, they can have their ups and downs. That's why it's important to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different companies and sectors to minimize the impact of any dividend fluctuations. And keep an eye on how those companies are performing. After all, you want to make sure they're keeping up their end of the bargain. And there you have it. 9 different ways to generate passive income and potentially earn $17,000 a week. Remember, while these methods offer tremendous opportunities, they require effort, dedication, and careful planning. It's crucial to conduct thorough research, evaluate risk, and seek professional advice when needed. So, go ahead and choose the avenue that aligns with your skills, interests, and long-term goals. Start your journey through financial independence today and unlock the potential of passive income. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time on our channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on passive income and financial freedom. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. Make sure to check out more videos on the screen.